Do you want to know how you can clear the cache in Photodirector? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear the cache in Photodirector. Go ahead and locate Photodirector, tap on it and go to its settings. Now scroll down and you can find storage. Tap on storage and you can see the cache over here. Now to clear the cache, all you need to do is click clear cache and all of the cache occupied by Photodirector will be deleted. Let me show it to you once again guys how you can clear the cache in Photodirector. First of all, go ahead and locate Photodirector, tap on it and go to its settings. Now scroll down and find something called storage. Tap on storage and you can see cache over here. Go ahead and click clear cache and as you can see the cache has been cleared. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.